Here's something you don't see every day. It's a, I saw this at Goodwill for $2. A hard drive mounting kit by Reveal. This is the HD010 for PC AT 286, 386, 486 and compatibles with an IDE interface. You know, this is actually kind of nice. I've already needed a pair of rails, and you don't have them, no good. And the old MFM drives and early IDE drives, they need these kind of rails they're basically adapters for, sometimes they're, I think these are 3.5 to 5.25 inch converters. And the face plates, those are nice to have too. Sometimes I see drives that have this on there, but I thought they were proprietary to the drive. I didn't know you could get them in kits like this. Here's the other side, Reveal 24-hour support. What's on the back here? Alright. Choose from 2 kits that'll provide anything you need. If you're selling an IDE hard drive, such as a Reveal hard drive, never heard of that hard drive brand, into a computer that has an IDE interface, Reveal's HD010 kit provides all the hardware, cables, and software needed. If your computer lacks an IDE interface, choose the HD020 kit. Does that give you a card? Besides giving you the required mounting hardware and software, the HD020 includes an adapter card. Okay, so it does. That enables most DOS compatibles to accept as many as 2, count them, 2 IDE hard drives. Look at these fine gentlemen. How can I help you, sir? Look at that. Imagine working in an office then. Holding the phone up to your face all day. Reveal is a trademark of Reveal Computer Products Incorporated. Knitted in USA. Knitted in USA. Printed in USA. Reveal guarantee. I've heard of Reveal. I don't know where or when. Sides are all the same. So I didn't really look in here too much. Foam insert. All I saw was hard drive on the box, and I was like, ooh. So it's nice. These rails and the screws, pretty sweet. Made in China. Of course they are. But yeah, these come in very handy. I've needed those before. Attention, zap, pzzzt. He's getting electrocuted. Why is he hurt if he's destroying the products? Why are his eyes all swirly? Reminds me of Saul Rosenberg. Jerky Boys. Internal hard drive installation guide. Included with your Reveal hard drives. Internal hard drive installation video. We need that. Software disk. So this is 1994. Wow, it's that late. What do we got in here? Stop. Typical desktop case for the time. CMOS setup programs. IDE controllers. Putting the rail on format. Using a boot disk. Partitioning. CMOS setup. Looks like an AT clone. Some sort. Hard drive in sideways. Got a Packard bell that kind of looks like that. Anyway, what else is this? Owner information. Computer installed into XT 286, 386, 486 or other. Store personnel were very helpful. Not helpful. Product acquired for use in small business. Alright, why did you select Reveal? Because of that Goodwill. What's this business reply in it? I wonder if there's still around. I should mail that in. Services required. Reveal. Why do I know that name? All it needs. What is this? With Reveal, your dream PC is the one you already own. Flip. Whoop. All it needs. Alright, so there's directions. Wait, I have a Packard bell just like that. That is a Packard bell. I actually have that. That's my 286 Packard bell. I have the box put away, but yeah, that's my, I think it's a Supreme, what does this say? Doesn't really say. But yeah, cool. Packard bell on there. Sweet. What icons does it have? Just Windows 3.1? Can't really make it out. Packard bell navigator, which you can easily get a screwdriver. Let's upgrade. She's in like F-disk or something. They purposely blurred the screen, which you can easily install yourself and reveal. Oh, there's the Packard bell. A big poster. Sweet. Create your dream machine. There it is. Wow. So that's a Packard bell Legend. Oh yeah, Legend. Legend 108. Can't say I've heard of a Legend 108 before. Oh, they have quite a few products here. Hard drive, tape backup, hard drive, mounting kit, CD-ROM, handheld scanner, keyboard, 4 1x9 Sims. Nice. Sims for Apple. Computer speakers. Actually, oh my god, I think this is the one we had when I was a kid. That box looks super familiar. This has got to be it. I remember seeing these at Walmart. They were like $400. Wow, I wanted one of these so bad. Because we didn't have a CD-ROM in our 386. Or a sound card. We had the PC speaker. I remember eyeing these boxes up at Walmart, just being like, wow, sound card, CD-ROM. Because I couldn't run Duke Nukem. Plus it would probably be too slow anyway, but yeah, I really wanted that. Wanted a CD-ROM so bad, and wanted Duke Nukem. There's the Packard belt Legend. Turbo button. It's running picture. Nice. Space flight. What is that? Some kind of encyclopedia? Oh, Guinness. Oh, that comes with Packard bell. It's the 1993 Guinness Multimedia Disc of Records. Yeah, that comes with Packard bell computers. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, so I really wanted one of those. I haven't dug this far down. You know, these faceplates are always nice to have. Really nice to have. I can use one for my IBM XT soup up machine I'm building. Sweet, not yellowed at all. Comes with the LED light here. You stick that right here, I'm guessing. Yeah, you must. Cool. Yeah, so that's freaking awesome. Little screw mounts. Those must mount on the metal rails. But that's awesome. These are really nice to have. All right. So what's this? Oh, whoop. Screws. Screw packages. I'm surprised those are in there yet. 3.5 inch. Oh, butterfinger. Yeah, the 3.5 inch hard drive universal installation kit. So these must be the metal rails that I was talking about earlier. I convert the, they're not brass or whatever color they are. Yeah, so these, actually this is the side. These mount on the bottom. This might be the side. Yeah, that screws into the hard drive. Basically a converter. What's this here? Oh, more rails. Awesome. With the screws and the tapered screws. Super handy. That's, are these the same? Yeah. Wow, so they give you 2 of them in here. That'd be interesting to see if, I'm just gonna put them both in here. Well, I don't know if I can. If, I guess the floppy disk is not included anymore. ID ribbon cable, Chinese made. Oh, that must have been, I don't know what went there. That stinks. There's no floppy disk. Boo-hoo. Alright, so the ribbon here. I think we're missing the actual installation manual. I don't know. We'll just put these back here. I mean, this I will use at some point. Shut up, cooler. Oh, here's the manual. That's right, I had this earlier. Internal hard drive. It'd be nice to see what. Okay, so where are we missing? Included. I don't know where the hard drive would have went. See, this is just the mounting kit. So, yeah, we're just missing floppy disks. I wonder if that's just partitioning software. Must be. Stacker software disk. So does that double your hard drive, one of those compression things? I guess it's not. Won't be missed too much, but there we have it. I've revealed the contents of this to you. Software on. Oh, so this only had the 3.5-inch discs. Cool. I wonder if they'll answer. Overused joke. All right.